mentioned shoppers, Costco could be coming now finally to the capital region.
A court in New York recently ruling in favor of the proposed plan to put a Costco in Guilderland after an environmental group petitioned to stop the construction. News 10's Connell Smith has the details.
Lynn Jackson and Save the Pine Bush have been pushing against building a Costco and apartments in this plot of land near Crossgates Mall. With Thursday's ruling in favor of the construction, Jackson says legally there's not much more Save the Pine Bush can do.
Unfortunately, we took it as far as the courts will take it. So now it's a matter of, will the people in the town of Guilderland, will the town board and the town planning board listen to us? So far, they haven't listened to us too much. I think the town of Guilderland really needs to look at what does it want to do.
According to Supervisor Peter Barber, what the town of Guilderland wants is this development.
As I've been saying at the very beginning, the town went through a neighborhood study of this area because it was a abandoned subdivision, and the decision was made, with community input to encourage commercial development in that area.
In October, a state Supreme Court judge dismissed Save the Pine Bush's petition to end the project. The group then brought their concerns to the appellate division, who upheld the original dismissal. In its ruling, the court says the Guilderland Town Planning Board, quote, took the requisite hard look at the potential environmental impacts of concern to petitioner and offered thorough explanations for its determination. But Jackson believes that is untrue, and if construction begins, part of the Pine Bush's ecosystem could be lost.
People may say, well, it's not adjacent to the preserve or whatever, but these are really important habitats that we need to protect so that the animals and the plants can live there.
Supervisor Barber says the next steps in the project will be consideration by the zoning board for special use permits. In Guilderland, Connell Smith, News 10 ABC.